To set product alerts that can be added to CVE reports during report generation, from within your product, click on Alert Settings in the left menu. To set CVSS alerts, check the Enable Alerts box in the CVSS Alerts section. Then, check the Receive Email Notifications box if you want to receive email alerts, and the Create Jira Issues box if you want to enable the automatic creation of a Jira issue. And finally, select the number that is greater than or equal to the CVSS you want the alert enabled for. If you want Vigiles to trigger license alerts whenever specified license types are found for any of the packages in your manifest, check the Enable Alerts box in the License Alerts section. Then check the Receive Email Notifications box if you want to receive email alerts, and the Create Jira Issues box if you want to enable the automatic creation of a Jira issue for each license alert triggered. Then enter the license name you want to set the alert for and the match type. To trigger an alert if the exact license type is found in a package, select Exact. Or choose Contains to trigger an alert if any occurrence of what you've entered is found in the license for a package. Then click the Add License button to add the alert. When you are finished setting up your alerts, select Save to save the settings you've entered. To see if any of the components of your manifest meet the alert settings you've defined, navigate back to your product manifest and rescan it. Once the scan is complete, you'll see the number of alerts that were triggered. To see which components have triggered the alerts, click on the product manifest to view the CVE dashboard. Directly below the Summary section is where you'll find the Summary Alerts information. For license alerts, whenever a specified license type is found, it is highlighted in the License column of the Package row in the Packages section. In the CVEs section of the dashboard, check the Show CVEs with Alerts Only box to view only the CVEs that have triggered an alert. To view the issues in Jira, click on the View Issues button in the Alert Summary section to open them. A quick look at Jira shows that based on the alerts we've set, issues have been added for our product.